In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your side mirrors on a Honda Element 2003 to 2011. Use a plastic trim tool and pop out the inner cover. It's held in by these 3 clips. For the wire harness, push down on this little tab on the bottom and pull out. Using an 8mm socket, you're going to remove the 3 bolts that are holding in the mirror. Now hold the mirror and push it slightly upwards. This will unhook it out. Now to put it back in, align it and push it right in, and the hook should hold on to it. Grab the 3 bolts and screw them back in. For the wire harness, align it and clip it back in. Align the mirror cover and push it back in.